Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with regular ER verbs in the present tense in French. In this lesson we are going to continue working with regular ER verbs, and we are going to learn the very important verb donner, which means to give. Remember that if you know the endings for regular ER verbs in the present tense, you can conjugate any regular ER verb. So the first thing to do is to remove the ER from the infinitive, and you're left with your root. So we have our root here, and all you have to do is just add the endings. If I want to say I give in French, it would be je donne, you give, tu donnes, he gives or she gives, il donne, elle donne, or one gives or we give, on donne. We give, nous donnons. You give, vous donnez, and they give, ils, elles donnent. Let's see what we can do with the verb donner. So donner is a transitive verb, which means you have to have some other elements to complete the thought that the verb expresses. So we have a direct object. So this would be a noun. This would be the thing that you or someone else gives. And we give that thing to someone else. Okay? So let's put all this together. If I want to say, for example, I give the book, I would say je donne le livre. But to whom do I give the book? Well, I could say to Pierre, and that would be à Pierre. So put it all together. I give the book to Pierre would be je donne le livre à Pierre. I give the book to Pierre. If I want to say I give the book to Marie, it would be je donne le livre à Marie. I give the apple, je donne la pomme. I give the apple to Pierre, je donne la pomme à Pierre. I give the apple to Marie, je donne la pomme à Marie. I give the money, je donne l'argent. I give the money to Pierre, je donne l'argent à Pierre. I give the money to Marie, je donne l'argent à Marie. You give, tu donnes. You give the book to Pierre, tu donnes le livre à Pierre. You give the book to Marie, tu donnes le livre à Marie. You give the apple to Pierre, tu donnes la pomme à Pierre. You give the apple to Marie, tu donnes la pomme à Marie. You give the money, tu donnes l'argent. You give the money to Pierre, tu donnes l'argent à Pierre. You give the money to Marie, tu donnes l'argent à Marie. He gives, il donne, He gives the book, il donne le livre. He gives the book to Pierre, il donne le livre à Pierre. He gives the book to Marie, il donne le livre à Marie. He gives the apple, il donne la pomme. He gives the apple to Pierre, il donne la pomme à Pierre. He gives the apple to Marie, il donne la pomme à Marie. He gives the money, il donne l'argent. He gives the money to Pierre, il donne l'argent à Pierre. He gives the money to Marie, il donne l'argent à Marie. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.